Programming languages are evolving fast, and by 2025, the demand for certain skills will be at an all-time high. From AI to blockchain, knowing the right languages can set you up for success in the most lucrative sectors. But which one should you focus on? First on our list is Python. Loved for its simplicity, versatility, and vast libraries, Python remains a top choice for AI, data science, and machine learning projects. Its ease of use makes it ideal for beginners, while its capabilities continue to attract professionals. Second on our list is JavaScript. It powers the web. Whether you're building a web app, dynamic site, or mobile app, JavaScript remains an essential language to learn in 2025. With frameworks like React, Vue, and Node.js, it's more powerful than ever. Third on our list is TypeScript. It extends JavaScript with static types, making it a favorite for large-scale applications. By 2025, TypeScript will be crucial for developers who want to write clean, maintainable code in enterprise-level applications. Fourth on our list is Kotlin. Want to develop for Android in 2025? It is a must. Google has made Kotlin the preferred language for Android development. Its interoperability with Java and modern features make it a powerful tool for mobile and cross-platform development. Fifth on our list is C#. C# is still relevant, especially in game development with Unity and enterprise-level apps. By 2025, C# will continue to dominate in creating robust applications, especially in the gaming industry and the .NET ecosystem.